welcome to my vlog. So this is Don Trinidad. So for today nga po pala guys ay babasa tayo ng story. Let's start it. Yan ang title. Fairy Story. So, yan po yung binabasa ko guys. Hindi ko lang mapakita yung sarili ko. So, yan po yung sarili ko. Babasahin ko po habang nakatapat yun. So, ito po yung una. Ito lang po yung story. Hindi po to. Ano po yan? Hindi po lang kasama. Ito lang po. Maliit. Konti lang po. Ito po kasi yung favorite ko. Kaya natin yun. Ito yung Melisandre. Yan. Started na Melisandre. When the Princess Melisandre was born, her mother, the queen, wished to have a christening party, but the king put his foot down and said he would not have it, and said, I have seen too much trouble come of christening parties, said he. However, carefully you keep your visiting books, so some fairy is sure to get left out, and you know what that last to will have not. Nonsense about it. We want a singer fairy, then none of them can be offended. So wait lang guys, papakita ko lang ang sarili ko. So yan, please subscribe, like, and share, and click the bell button. Isang halik maglamang ako'y itatabo. Thank you for watching!